Looking for a way to keep using apps like Google Maps in a floating window while multitasking on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? That's where picture-in-picture or PIP comes in handy. Here's how to turn on picture-in-picture for any app using Google Maps. Another example, from your home screen or app screen, long press the Google Map icon and then tap the app info icon. Scroll down the screen, tap picture in picture, and then turn on the switch next to allow permission. With this setting, Google Maps is allowed to create a floating window. For instance, if you start navigation, then go back to your home screen, Maps will stay visible in a small window on top of other apps. So by turning on this feature, you can use apps like Maps, YouTube, or video call apps in a smaller window while doing other tasks on your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.